To acknowledge the presence of Dominador D. Argarin Jr., School Administrator, Holy Trinity College, Cabcam Sur, Batu, Camarines Sur. Pangapodan po, may nawawara po digding gamit hali sa Panagan National High School kay Megan Brigengela. Yan po ang bag mo sa kasi ID. Nayon po sa stage.
Next entry is entry number 5, Barceloneta Fishery School, Biyong, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Roel Zuela. Troop S1, Glenn Haji. Troop S2, Gabriel Luis Benayed. Troop S3, Lyle Darwin Cortesano. Troop S4, Jody Magalona. Major Leader, Shane Faith Desembrana. DXMC Leader, Alexis Quinones. CTV Company Commander, Royan Llamado. CTV Company EXO, Jake Herrera. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Gypsy De Los Reyes. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Crystal Ann Garcia. School Head, Marlene Cacres. CTV MAFE Facilitator, Russell Francis Maniago. Majorettes Coordinator, Arlene Maniago. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Repam De Los Santos. Head Teacher 3, Shali Tosara. Entry number 5, Barceloneta Fishery School, Biyong, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 5, Barceloneta Fishery School, Biyong, Cabusao, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge